Rely on the brand trusted for over 25 years. CRC Guaranteed to Pass Emissions System Cleaner. Deposit buildup in fuel systems can reduce performance, increase emissions, and can contribute to lower fuel economy. Easy to use, safe for all gasoline engines, including direct and port injection. Add 1 bottle to your half-full gas tank. CRC Guaranteed to Pass Emission System Cleaner has advanced detergent formula that removes harmful carbon deposits from fuel injectors, intake valves, combustion chambers, and beyond. It reduces carbon monoxide, hydrocarbons, and nitrogen oxide, which leads to adverse environmental effects. It also promotes a healthy catalytic converter. CRC Guaranteed to Pass Emission System Cleaner restores the performance of the entire fuel system, reduces emissions to pass smog test, clears check engine light P0420 and P0430 and other related codes, saves gas increasing your miles per gallon. Use 4 times a year for optimal results. CRC Guaranteed to Pass Emission System Cleaner means guaranteed to pass, or CRC will double your money back.